So in this video, I will be teaching you how to use the Astro Wrestler synergy. So first is I'll select Carino for the Astro Energy. So pagdating nga maya, sana makakuha tayo ng mga wrestler. But now, gusto ko munang buuin yung Astro. Because yun yung magbibigay ng power sa kay Badang later pag nakuha natin. So pag Astro tsaka Wrestler yung binubuo natin, ang carry mo niyan si Badang, dapat. So ang key to win para ma-execute natin to is mabuo natin yung dalawang synergy. Kung meron tayong makitang wrestler synergy, you can get that. Wrestler or Astro synergy, we can get that para ma-limit natin itong heroes na need for the two synergy. One tip, if yung hero, yung commander niya is hindi nagbibigay ng points or walang ability para magpa 3-star ng heroes. Pag may nakita kayo dalawang Los Picados at the start, and maganda naman yung synergy or maganda naman yung power na maiba yung heroes, might as well get the dalawang Los Picados for the extra coins na ibibigay.
I was made for destruction.
So, inspiration ko kaya gusto kong magbuo ng Astro tsaka Wrestler is yung last video ko. Parang naisip kong Badang with Flicker. Maganda. So, since Badang is Astro and Wrestler, I think it's gonna work in our favor pag ganun nangyari. So, the idea is pupunta si Badang sa likod using Flicker, and then mabilis kasi siyang mag-SS. So yung SS niya, para madaming punches and counted din as basic attack. So, ano yun? So madaming basic attack, faster basic attack, or faster hits equals mas madaming chance na masisi niya yung kalaban. So, yan. Sure ko walang kukuha kay Badang. 4 lang siya. So, since Connie yung gamit natin, pick muna tayo ng isang item, and then, pagbalik ng Fate, kunin natin si Badang. So, yan. Isang tip, pag masyadong hero-dependent yung build nyo, might as well get Connie. Connie's first skill or second skill. Yung third skill ni Connie, hindi ko masyadong ginagamit. I don't like the 16% chance. Masyadong mababa for me. Hindi ko muna ilalagay yung Flicker kay Badang since muna. Mas mataas pa yung power ni Zaz. Tingin nyo, walang namatay sa akin. That's good. Gaya sinabi ko kanina, I like using Connie pag hero-dependent yung gusto kong buuin na synergy. At this time, I use Connie kasi nga I really want Badang to be the star of this gameplay, in this tutorial. The Wrestler Astro is not common used in the Magic Chess. Hindi, minsan na ako makakita ng gumamit. Minsan or halos wala pa akong nakitang gumamit na successful synergy like this one. Sana maging successful siya. Kasi if hindi ko to-upload. Zast versus Zast. Who will win? Oh, no damage. Mamaya ka muna.
Chase me.
So after this round, magkakaroon na tayo ng synergy ng ng Astro. Sana makuha kayo gusto kong synergy. Gusto ko yung attack speed. Attack speed or yung life. Maybe yung life. Para magkaroon ng sustain si Badang. Let's try. Sana hindi ko pagsisihan. Oh. It's not the synergy stone that I want, but we can make this happen. We can make this work.
Gotta teach you some rules, cubs.
Look, di ba? Stun agad. Yun yung idea kaya gusto siyang gamitin with Flicker. Kasi maubos yung backline niya. Siguro helping din yung meron tayong Berserker's Fury na item for the crit. So additional damage. Flicker, backline, and then attack speed going up, plus yung attack power na binibigay ng Berserker's Fury, plus the crit, additional crit. Yung Rose Gold Meteor, kinuha siya kanina kasi last tayo namili. Halos last tayo namili. Wala nang natirang physical na equipment. So, pero tulong pa din siya kasi may defense siya kasama, di ba? So, may additional siyang magic defense. Tapos may 2,000 siyang magiging na shield pag 30% below na yung HP natin. So, hindi rin siya, using this Rose Gold, hindi rin basta-basta mamamatay si Bada. Kasi magkakaroon siya ng shield agad pag may fatal na dami siya makukuha.
I don't mind. Don't move. I'm aiming my spears at you. Nothing can stop us.
Knock. Walang lumalabas na ibang wrestler. Habang wala pang lumalabas na ibang wrestler, mag-get muna tayo ng gold using the Los Picados na synergy. Kayanin mo. SS! Yung lifesteal na binibigay ng Astro Power nakatulong dun kasi muntik na tayong mamatay. Yun din yung gusto ko sa Astro Power minsan. May siya, grabe yung lifesteal. Di yung grabe. Decent yung lifesteal na binibigay. Maybe pag tinernuhan siya ng Haskell, kasi kinuha yung Haskell. We have no choice. We get that ang counter sa backline ulit. Additional health kung sino man makakaano. Maybe kay Aldous maganda gamitin. Pwede tayong pumunta sa Los Picados diretso sa Los Picados Astro. Pero I'm still leaning towards the wrestler. Depende sa hero na ibibigay. Sa during next rounds, saka tayo magde-decide if itutuloy natin sa wrestler or itutuloy natin sa Los Picados. But definitely both will be okay. Kaso yung power na mabibigay ka badang is less compare sa Astro tsaka wrestler. Kasi if magiging wrestler Los Picados, it will be Aldous na mag-benefit the most. Okay.
Everybody has to start somewhere. Arts of combat. Tear them to shreds. The labyrinth shall never fall.
Powerful. I want to sell Claude na. Tingin ko mo, makaka-20 akong points pag na-sell ko. I think Badang is performing well. Yeah. Continue natin yung ano. Let's continue the Wrestler Astro synergy.
The wish crumble beneath my strength. Who would recognize someone as weak as you?
Benta ba natin? First pang round. Mirror? Parang maganda. Bigay mo natin kay Aldous. Mas maganda mag-front si Masha compare kay Dairos. Hindi siya agad-agad namamatay. Hindi siya mawa-one shot. Dahil sa passive niya. Definitely yung synergy na Astro na pinili. Yung every second may bawas sa life nung nakabase sa health ng opponent heroes. Nag-benefit sa part na yun. Kasi pag wala yun, sure ko mahirapan i-kill ni Badang si Akai.
I am my own salvation.
The abyss is home to me. I am the constellation of fear.
Hindi natin susukuan guys yung wrestler.
Take it away. It's back.
See? Definitely the Rose Gold Meteor nakatulong sa scenario na yun. Pag wala yun, or pag pinutan ko yung equipment niya ng staff, mamamatay si Bada. Ang hilap nga lang magpa 3-star pag si Connie yung hero. See? Ubus agad yung backline. Yes! Badang Flicker! I think Badang Flicker should be on meta. Lalo ngayon, madaming gumagamit ng ano. Recently, madaming gumagamit ng Kalya Archer. Definitely, their backline will be punished using that. Tsaka, pag may gumamit ng Layla second skill, nakalinya sila para sa SS niya, di ba daw? Sana capacity. Oh, wala na. It's defensive item. Then, let's get Ling. Ling, pero bibenta din natin siya. Para hindi na siya kasya sa board. Definitely. Ang target ko ngayon mapa 2-star lahat nung nasa board. At least 2-star yung nasa board. Kaya hindi ko muna kinuha yung ibang wrestler. Kasi maskip na yung platform.
One more round. Who would recognize someone as weak as you? I will do anything for the abyss. Anything! You do not belong here.
Kailangan pa natin ng dalawang last ng isa pang wrestler. I think complete na. Yan, complete na pala. Let's just add capacity. Tapos ma-anim na natin yung wrestler sa loob. Isang capacity na lang, ibebenta ko na si Frank. Ang gandang synergy. Hindi masyadong malakas pero yung stun from the wrestler, yun yung papagana sa synergy.
I will do anything for the abyss. Anything!
So sana may lumabas na mirror. At least ma-3-star ko si Tyrot. Sa kanya ko ba gagamitin talaga? Or baka meron sa board? Gamitin natin. I don't like taking chances. So, kompleto na. 6-6 na yung na-achieve na natin yung synergy na gusto natin. And I think we're gonna win this match. Two-star Badang pa lang yun, guys. Pag nag-3-star si Badang, it's really unstoppable. The CC tsaka power na meron siya ngayon using that Astro tsaka wrestler na synergy, it's really something, guys. I just want to test if if mas makakadami si Badang, if ililipat ko sa kanya yung staff. Yes. And I think, oh, we won the match. Yes. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Bye-bye.